and today we're going to talk about integrations. Why do integrations in Postman matter? They really help you facilitate learning between different people who are using the Postman app and collections. By using built-in integrations, you can onboard people quickly to things like GitHub or Slack or PagerDuty. They really speed up your development. Functionality that you otherwise would have had to build or spend a lot of time building is automatically brought right into your Postman app. They allow you to build more complex projects that rely on a lot of different moving pieces. For example, using our Slack integration to alert you of when one of your monitors fails. They also allow you to back up and support your workflow, like using GitHub or Dropbox to save collections and control versions. There are some examples of our pro built-in integrations. For example, we've already talked about GitHub, PagerDuty, and Slack. All of these integrations are out of the box and have no scripting required. We're going to go ahead and show you how integrations are simple as just a few clicks. They may require some setup or authentication, but otherwise you're able to pull integrations into your workspace extremely quickly. So, for example, let's see how a Dropbox integration works. To get to your integrations, you just go to your workspace and then go to the Integrations tab. You'll be able to see the integrations that you already have existing right here, and then browse other integrations that we have available here in this view. We're going to go ahead and look at how a Dropbox integration works. Let's go ahead and add an integration to Dropbox. This will allow us to back up some of our collections. Here we see that we just need to sign into Dropbox and then we'll be logged in. Now we'll return to the Postman dashboard in order to do a little bit of configuration. We just need to select what we want to put into our Dropbox, and then we can add our integration. Now we see that we have this configured integration, and if we go back to our workspace, look at our integrations, Dropbox shows up there. Now that specific collection is being saved to my Dropbox. As you can see, integrations are simple, easy, and just require a few clicks in order to set up. We also have other data formats. Take a second and think about what you might be using in your day-to-day API work. Postman supports importing API description formats such as Swagger and Rama. In the future, we will be supporting OpenAPI as well, which is Swagger 3.0. Many people don't know that you can import curl and other formats. All of this is available via the import button in the top left corner of your Postman app. In summary, you can use integrations to speed up your workflow. You can use pre-built and pro enterprise integrations such as GitHub, Slack, and PagerDuty to include a lot of different functionality like version control and alerting. And you can import these integrations into your workflow with minimal configuration and no scripting. Thank you very much, and have a great day.